don't have any disease, any chronic disease.
Anyway, una welcome back on Top the Next Show. This topic of today,
it don't cause the argument where
the argument where they Ngozi call she mentioned two things where they be say now the questions where I be want ask Pastor and Tunde question where she asks now about churches when they be say don't reject, where they don't say if they're not gonna marry people will be AS. Now I know a lot of churches we not marry people because of saying AS they be. Now what is she talk? Now you go talk about that one and then I'll come back to you after you don't answer.
So to that question, I understand say the thing where they try to do now to protect ultimately within the feature that they do, say then they protect the couple. But the truth be say, if those two people don't click, they don't know how they no go fit do. Your job not to tell them, say you go advise, say make them no continue. But no be your job to say make them no marry. I don't know how to explain them so that make madam here. But your job is say no come out yourself for the matter. But put your foot down, say from what we see. If una no fit believe God to heal una,
make una no continue.
Yes, make una no continue. And that is the responsibility of the clergy or whoever counsel them. Don't be quiet about it. Speak up about it. Let them know that, okay, SARS don't come out so. You be yes, you be yes. Okay. We go recommend, make 12 una no.
But you say, not be saying you say make them not marry. But if you say make them not continue, it means say make them not marry as well.
See, ultimately, if you say make una no marry,
yes.
And then tomorrow, the woman marry and problem day. You go say, now you stop them. See,
make it not true.
They don't get how, you see, sometimes people don't do to understand, say pastor work. No, it complicated. Because when tomorrow she marry, and the man no treat her well, you go say the one way in see when you like.
You tell her you can't marry.
So, but the truth be say, please, but the truth be say, Madam Ngozi, job of pastor, now to help both parties. He say, health-wise, both of them AS, no go to jail. You know, now there your spirituality will come in. Do you believe you can be healed? Do you believe that God can change it? That you do all those things? And if it happens, I don't see where it don't change. And as he heals so, and then when the guy come and say, I'm healed now, the girl don't remarry. How you want to deal with the fact that God don't answer in prayer, but you don't see me girl move on. And then so what happens to the young man? So ultimately, our job as clergy now to tell them what the facts be and insist, say, think about this thing critically. If God go heal you, believe him. But if you know go feel help you, make that
now. What you can't talk about the churches?
Make Doctor respond.
Make pass of Doctor Own long. What you can't talk about churches where not marry people because of saying an ASA, where outrightly. Because till now I know tomorrow na Saturday. I know many people when they be say not go marry because of this AS. What you go talk about the churches when they be say no?
You know, go say na bad thing than they do now.
Okay.
Now their policy.
Okay.
And the truth be say, policy most times for churches no be to handicap the people.
And no be emotional.
Yes,
kind
no
of
be
policy.
emotional. Yes,
nah,
not just we they try help now. So if it don't happen to you before and you they vex, say they cancel your, no blame church. Ultimately, they try protect both of una. Tomorrow, if it happen. Now then go see the rally around to make sure say 12 are okay. If you still go behind them, go marry and then you born picking we're sick. Now you go still come back church. So for this kind of matter, make we open our mind wider than what they think. So when church say make them no marry, no thing say they hate the boy or they hate the girl. Ultimately, now they try to protect you. But the truth be say, you run, go where you want to go.
Still go marry.
Go do what you want to do. But we go recommend, say, if you stay faithful to that church, hear everything they tell you, but we don't advise you how.
Now, doctor, to you, Ngozi, I ask a question about what if the family now not fit take care as your own family? They take care of your two siblings when it be say them be AS. Now they help to even pass you self. We be like bone here. So now. Family now will not get money to handle, to take care of those things. How you contact so you go feel marry AS as based on for your own personal opinion where you say you go feel marry. What you can talk about that one?
Okay. Like I don't talk. I haven't been one answer pastor question before, but make an answer this one. SS, this SS where people they talk about, na chronic disease.
Okay.
Say something na chronic, means say they take long duration. Yeah, the disease they extend over a long period of time
before it go heal.
Before it go heal. Even this one, acute, yeah, na instant. Malaria, acute. Typhoid, acute.
Typhoid.
If you treat them,
Sharp, it go.
give them medication, you go take a medication, you go. Do you understand? But sickle cell disease, yeah, SS, sickle, you get, na different case because even like hypertension, yeah, hypertension, medication, the best way the person go take, na for life. You don't get as in one yeah. Now for like if you don't come out from medication, if you don't stop to take medication, now back to high blood pressure.
So you need to take the medicine to maintain, you know.
You need to take, and the medication where you go to take, no be easy something. You get as you go collect money, salary now. We go just budget say, okay, oh, I guys buy this medication today. Oh. You get as you go, they apportion your money. Now conscious effort where you go take say, I want to make my body day better. Or if my papa day sick, we get hypertension. I go apportion part of my salary, say, okay, oh, now for my papa be this, make it body take away. Yeah, but either ways, yeah, you go still spend money. Hypertension, oh, diabetes, oh, sickle cell, oh, all of them chronic diseases, yeah, you go still spend money.
So person will not get money now, you know go advise and make them not try them at all.
You don't get them. If you
just respect yourself,
not marry. Say it, yeah, that for instance, like I've been talk say, if you give me babe, yes, and I know say okay, oh, now so they go, I go. They count my money down.
They keep your money down. Say, knowing fully well. So, if you born pikin.
Say, we fit born pikin, we get them.
Okay.
Me and the girl go down agree. We fit born pikin, we get them. I go they count my money down. You get say, okay, I go buy drug, I go do this, I go do that. You get. And when I come born the pikin, as begin they grow. I go to tell them, say, now so they go. Say, look, oh, you say, guys, the plan, say, you go to get money, take care of yourself. You go to get money, do this. You guys, they take your medication. If to say, as I did like that, I get high blood pressure. Now the same thing. If tomorrow you tell me tomorrow, say I get hypertension, I get diabetes.
Or you get.
Now see the same bank I go. Or now this is the work I go. If not to collect another job, go do. Say okay, I want to help
you, make
you. We go help me take care of myself or take care of this speaking or take care. I go do them.
But ideally,
so ideally,
if you don't get money,
if you don't get money,
leave the matter.
Free.
Easy, you here when you go now, go to scale. How are you? Fine. My name is Easy. What's your name? Sandra. Oh yeah. What are you?
Any girl,
what's your blood
any man or any girl will ask you what your genotype from beginning. You know, say one marry you. Anyway, you if they call us, sorry, say we'll not take some phone calls when we talk. We want make the message, make it pass in where make it sync where before we answer on a question. When if you call us now, make we know the questions when I get. Easy to begin one question where you ask doctor.
Yeah, the question when I ask him say, the earlier you take find out say your pikin SS, it they determine how far the thing go fit help am.
If you reason them, anything where you know early, they always do better. They always talk say prevention is better than cure. Why don't they talk am?
No, because they like to talk am like that.
Nah, so sense. even people will get cancer. Yeah, their mama if you don't get maybe breast cancer, if you don't get cervical cancer, then go tell the pikin say, oh yeah. As they don't born you like this, if you check them as they come out in mama belly, if you check them, if you fit, you better make a check out.
Okay.
But ideally, you know fit. Yeah, but
because person ask here say
the earlier the
Dr.
better.
Tunde, for how old the pikin for belly go day where you go fit check the genotype and for which hospital?
For Niger.
I don't exactly know the hospitals for Niger. But
how old?
You know go to maybe a few months.
Okay, like 4 months, 3 months.
You know go
If for 4 months, don't go far now.
Now just sorry, no be months, now weeks.
Okay, weeks.
You get
weeks. Okay.
But now I don't know whether they do it for here.
Okay.
Yeah. And but they fit because Niger don't develop.
Now, to wrap up because time not today again. Now, what will be the implications of marriages, AS and AS? What will be the implications of marriages?
Before doctor, for counseling, which you go tell them, you say, if they still come out their guns and their swords, say they must marry, saying that you be enemy of progress, you don't want may love prevail. You go sit both of them down, help them understand, say it go cost money, it go cost time, it go cost personal sacrifice.
If Yeah,
If they go ahead.
No, you see, get what pastor talk. If them go ahead, one, and two, if them born that pikin.
Will be the SS.
Yes.
You get.
So
because
if
now the
possible
thing,
say they no
because
go born the pikin will be SS.
if pastor talk say make una no marry, and I still go marry, and I born 5 pikin, and 5 of them na AA.
They definitely
Say you no go say you no go see pastor say
No, you go to Thanksgiving. Say,
You go do Thanksgiving.
you go come in front,
You go
come
still
down.
come dance for front of pastor.
we don't born.
You see?
Not you.
Say God win, abi.
Okay, wait. As soon as they rejoice, make I talk by counseling own. Counseling.
Yes.
You go cost money. I think God hear me, I did your side. You go cost time, you go cost sacrifice.
Yes.
It means say, as now they marry so, una go upgrade una knowledge about the elements. Because both of una.
So as soon as don't say love,
Yes,
nine do hold
so you go get to like Dr. Tunde talk, upgrade your knowledge. So if it happen, Pikin gets that. Both of them, naturally, agree to do from beginning. But it go cost una time, it go cost una money, it go cost una self.
I know it's something when I go start. Then
Yes, so,
say they come out in leg.
the reason why people
For the
always say
matter.
no do, now because when you think of how
this
in quotes,
stress.
the stress say you dey try survive, then this extra
just say,
burden.
just
Now
leave
why
am.
people they talk so not be say people hate when you say AS make no marry. I want until God make even hear. Say no be hatred because sometimes if you talk the two children go to say na hatred. Maybe you don't like her boyfriend or you don't like him fiance. But now be say we love both of them and we know say the implications. They 70-25, even though now they think I'm like the people they talk, it be like 90-10. You know, but now 75-25. But the way people they respond now, it be like 95-5. Say it go happen.
Yes.
So if then the fear be that, then so be it. It go cost you time, it go cost you money, it go cost you love,
Now,
sacrifice.
doctor, during crisis, anybody will get SS. During crisis, what you expect? What you go advise? Those will be SS already. How you go feel advise them where they go take care of the thing and knowing in advance all those whether it be SS, how you go take note?
If you be SS and you don't sabi, you get as you go take do am straight to the hospital. If you know sabi na a different case, if body just dey pain you, wait, it's in a malaria, it just the house, just the. If you know sabi na a different matter, you get. If you sabi say you be SS, just go. People they talk to me, you just there as they take painkiller, but the painkiller way you want take, you don't get as you want take painkiller way it go work. Because no be like say person just cut you, where they pay you. Yeah, na bone pain.
The bone thing.
You get. So if it dey inside, the guys give you drip, the guys do everything for hospital. So the best thing I say, if person they get crisis, just go straight to your closest hospital. Yeah, and as we dey for Nigeria, like this, people they sabi manage this kind of situation because na common thing wey we dey. Just be like say you get malaria. Where which hospital you want go where you no go fit treat.
Okay, make I quick read some tweets.
Messages.
I want to ask, is it not possible to know the genotype of a baby when the baby still dey belle like a month old? We don't answer them, Hakim.
It's very possible.
Josephine say, AS genotype, it no make sense, abeg. That one is killing by tricks. We need to take precaution before we venture into something that will affect children for future. We need this counseling more. Mohammed Nain Tokam. Pius say, why not? At least having AS as children is better than not having at all. Or not having that SS, my opinion.
We agree.
He say, Pastor, may God bless your ministry.
Amen, no.
As for me, say Ayodele, I no fit marry AS if I'm AS, because Bible say my people perish for lack of knowledge. My sister.
So we dey try balance the knowledge. No, the knowledge you don't get now. We dey try make them robust.
But I like
so
as
that,
I did
Okay, now in wrapping up now, in 1 minute, Pastor, how you go take wrap up this whole thing? In less than 1 minute.
Yes, ultimately, if one go full spiritual, I believe say they get nothing where God no fit do.
Yes.
All right. So ultimately, I go pray with you. I go believe. You go believe say it go happen. If your faith no did that level, if you just hear say other people they do them and you know they get any conviction, and you go ahead and it burn you, you never prepare yourself psychologically or otherwise to deal with them. You go wound yourself. So if you know that dimension of life, no near that matter. Just
if you get plan for una to live una self as husband and wife, no enter the matter at all.
Doctor, to wrap up in less than 1 minute, how you go take? What will be your final advice to people?
My final advice now say, we can follow on our heart because I guess as person go give me advice, I go take am. You know what you give me, not by force now. If you give me, I take am. If you don't give me, anyhow, you understand. But say people will be SSF, yeah. Make on they take care of ourselves. Make on take on medication. Make on no overwork on ourselves because now part of things where they cause the crisis.
Okay.
Make you drink plenty water.
Okay.
Yeah, to rehydrate your body.
Okay.
Make you not do quick and tire you. You understand? And if you get any pain, just go straight to the hospital.
Yeah, not take
and
any painkiller.
No, even if you take painkiller, take go hospital. But the most important point of it is go to the hospital.
All right. Anyway, double toilet to everybody. We call for the show today. No man, not say we'll not take on a phone calls quick. Tweet messages will not read. Sorry. Double toilet to Pastor Inyayi. As usual, we don't hold us on top of the night show for Fridays. And then double toilet to Dr. Oni. And when they say don't give now more information on top of the matter. For those of you who don't know, I beg knowledge and be the most important thing. And counseling for this level. On top marrying ASO, marry AS. Anyway, until Monday, una good night.